It's March 7th, 2020 on a snowy day. I just purchased what we believe to be an original 20,000 kilometer Alfa Romeo 1985 GT V6 2.5. Apparently this car's been sitting here for quite a while. Underneath, I don't see any oil, which is typical of these cars. According to the owners, the gentleman's family, the owner that passed away, this car has roughly 20,000 original kilometers. I'm not sure, is it black or is it blue? I see one little dent there. Another one here. Let's go through the car here. Get a profile shot of what we have here. What do you think, Johnny? It looks interesting.
I've never seen one up close. It's very unique looking to me, like just looking at the door itself.
Jeez.
Immediately.
I thought A7, the Audi A7 was original, but you can see where the design came from. Well, this car's been sitting here for quite a while, but we're excited. This may be an original 20,000 kilometer car. Okay, look at these rear lights. Look at the plastic. It's like new. No oxidation on them. Wow.
So the tires,
the tires, the original tires.
Not flat, so obviously he pumped them for us.
These are the original Michelin TRX tires. You can see here, 260 by 365. That's in millimeters. That's the European spec tire. What? There's no rust. It's metal. John, look, it's metal. Holy Toledo.
No accidents. It doesn't look like.
It doesn't look. There's. I mean, we haven't checked. We haven't checked the car thoroughly, but
there's a bit of abrasion, just paint, but that's not.
The windshield is original. Holy moly! No cracks, no blemishes on the windshield. Ooh, here we go. Ooh, we have some.
Let's take a look.
Some mousy friends, of course. This would all be cleaned up, but this is the engine. Hard to tell. But from here, this all looks original. No resprays. Doesn't look like there's any damage to the front subframe. Like I said, other than this small dent there and this one here, I don't see any other dents.
So
should we look inside?
what strikes me immediately is just I'm excited, like just looking at it because of the paint. The paint. Like to me,
Welcome
it just looks dirty.
To 1984.
Doesn't look.
Look at those seats. Are you kidding me? There's not even a crack in the on the ridge of the seat. It doesn't even look like it's been sat in. This is crazy. And these are the Alfa seats because they do have the mesh. The
You
mesh
know what
behind.
this smell reminds me of? It's a throwback. It takes me back to
Here's a steering
my
wheel.
childhood when
When we had our
you
previous
first
Alphas.
had a
That does not look like
convertible Alpha.
a used steering wheel. It looks like it's got very low K on it. Let's check another sign here. The pedals.
I can't believe it. It's
The pedals are barely worn. This is crazy.
But overall, I don't see cracks. Like the plastic, there's
The rug.
nothing cracking where the seats are.
Is in fantastic condition.
Take a look at this door. How interesting this door is.
This can't be. Let's take a look at the kilometers here. What are we looking at?
This is exciting.
20,865 kilometers. Holy cow. Let's check out the gear shift.
Look at these seatbelts.
That gear shift does not look like it's got more than 20,000 kilometers on it. I mean, we'll have to make sure for sure, but given the condition of this dash, the buttons, this may be an actual low kilometer car.
Almost looks like it wasn't driven much.
Well, it said he fell.
And if it's stored, it was stored for
The family said
I'm
he
really
fell.
surprised. Look,
He fell ill. Let's check it out underneath here, which is notorious for rust. I don't see anything.
Interesting.
There's the exit hole, the weep holes. There's no rust on this car. What are we looking at under here? This may be an original car. Well, let's see how the stance is from a distance. Wow, it's got a nice stance. Well, there you have it. Our first garage / barn find. Well, stay tuned. We're going to be working on this, and we're just waiting to get this cleared out of here. But I can't believe these back lights. They don't look like they've been exposed to UV at all. Like yeah, that's a good sign. Very good sign. I don't see any other dents on the body. Let's see how this door closes. Solid. Well, there you have it. 1985 Alfa Romeo GTV 2.5. Could be one of the lowest kilometer cars anywhere. Stay tuned.